Hey y'all, how's it going? Like the title says on this one, I'm driving. If you're over 50, get your ass to YouTube. Get your butt to YouTube right now. If you're over 50, there's no excuse. Oh, but I don't know how to operate a computer. Listen, you know how to send videos, you know how to communicate with your grandchildren, you know how to communicate with your children. It's as easy as that. You don't need to know much in order to make this happen. All you need is to learn how to press record, upload the video, write whatever title you want to, and that's it. Make sure the title is relevant to the video. Just like this. I'm teaching you right now how to do it. I'm driving currently, and I'm grinding towards my freedom. And at the same time, I'm shooting a video. I'm being responsible, I'm looking at the road, but at the same time, I have a message for you. And that is, if you're over 50, get your butt to YouTube. Right now. And I'm not talking about get your butt to YouTube so you can learn things or so you can consume content. Sure, if you enjoy my style of teaching and motivating, please subscribe. We're on our way, we're on our goal to get to 1,000 subscribers so we can monetize this channel sooner rather than later. But the same thing you could be doing. You could be sharing your expertise and your knowledge. You could be inspiring and motivating others. And you have so much to bring to the table, like so freaking much. Why? Because you're over 50. So you have so much experience, so much knowledge, so much work ethic, discipline. You come from a different generation from a lot of people, so you can discipline people, you can help people essentially break barriers and get to the places they're trying to get just by you sharing authentically who you are. And also, when you're over 50, you don't care what people think, you don't care how you come across, you don't care how you look. All those things dissipate, all those things go away. So what people care here is the content. They don't care about you having the latest and greatest camera. They don't care about your video editing skills. They just care about the value, and the value is in the message. The message that you have to share with the world. That's where the real value lies. That's what people are looking for. That's the real hidden treasure that everybody's seeking, essentially. You can achieve tons of success, man, but you need to open yourself up. Open yourself up to the good that this world has for you. Open yourself up to the opportunities that you have, that they're lying literally within your feet. I understand that, it might be rare or different in the beginning because this opportunity was never here before. You didn't have the moment to even consider this as a possible, not only revenue that you can make on the side, but a potential career. Because think about it. If you were a former scientist, if you are a teacher, if you're a journalist, if you have been working 9 to 5s your whole life, regardless of what it is that you've done, regardless of what it is, you could have been homeless at one point. You could have been addicted to things and you broke off out of it. There's so many things that your expertise, by you sharing it with people, that it can not only unlock things for you, but it can help so many other people. And right now we're living in an era that, like, YouTube is literally favoring new creators. You see my channel right now? My channel has been exploding. My channel has been growing because A, I decided to speak my mind, and B, I decided to not care about how the videos look. You know, if I look crazy, it is what it is. That's how I look. But I'm making the effort to every day show up because I know every day there's someone that needs me. And right now is you. And if you're over 50, I'm telling you, I'm imploring you, I'm commending from you to get your butt to YouTube. You may have had incredible debt and paid that off. That could help someone if you share your testimony. You probably went to school and studied something, and then maybe you pursue that, and now you're doing something completely different. That testimony, that story can help someone. There's so many things that you can share about your life. And I'm not saying, hey, be an open book, share everything about your life. Share absolutely everything. Share like who you're with and where you live. I'm not saying those things. I'm just saying share the things that you know will be truly helpful and benefit someone out there. And there's an array of things that you can share without sharing your personal things. If there's things that you have that you don't necessarily want to share for whatever reason, you don't have to share those things. But there are so many other things that you can freely, comfortably share with people, and it will absolutely benefit them. And it will help you also liberate some things that you've been like holding inside. If you've been through a traumatic experience, which I'm sure if you're over 50, probably not just one, you can share those things. And there's so many people that you don't even know that might be going through the exact same thing or worse. And your word can provide healing. Your testimony can provide a solution for someone out there. But it all starts with you getting your butt to YouTube. It starts with you pressing record, then pressing upload. You have to do it. And again, I know you're probably looking at this video going like, but I don't have the skills. I don't know how to do this YouTube thing. You don't need to. You really don't. You don't need to uncover how to make thumbnails and how to do this or SEO. None of that. Just use your phone that you already have the resources you already have. You don't need to go to Amazon and buy things. You don't need none of that. All you need is to go to YouTube, use the account you already have, or open a new account, and then start recording on your phone and start uploading on your new YouTube channel, on your current YouTube channel. And put the title. Once you stop recording, just press record, start talking about whatever it is. And then once you're done with that video, don't even look at it. Just be like, okay, what was the main topic that I talked about? Oh, I talked about this one time I had a job. Or I talked about this time that I got out of debt. Or I talked about this time that I whatever. And then upload, put a title that's related to what you were talking in that video. And then just like a gym workout, do it again the next day. Do it again and do it again. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes, the less resistance you have over it, and the more you're going to help people. Because now you're going to be more concise, now you're going to be more straight to the point. You're gonna see that your first couple videos are going to suck. But it's fine. It's fine. You got to think long term. You got to think who you're helping here. So if you're over 50, you have to. I'm talking, you have to. You have a human responsibility to get your ass on YouTube just so many people can benefit from your testimony, from what you have to bring, and from the experience that you had in life. That's it for today, guys. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so we can monetize this channel. Don't forget to like the video. Comment below. What are you doing right now? Like, has this been motivational? Has this been inspiring for you? What plan of action? I wanna hear action in the comments. So what plan of action are you gonna start implementing to start seeing results, to start putting in the work, to share your knowledge? And again, it doesn't have to be work. This could be as easy as drinking water every day. Very easy stuff. So please do that for me. Subscribe, like the video, share with a friend or two that might need this motivation, this dose of inspiration to get them started. If there's one friend out there that you know, they have so much knowledge but they don't put it out there, send it to them. It will help them tremendously. So please do that, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest and blessed rest of your entire day. Bye-bye.